Using eyewitness video for documenting human rights abuse is critical to the work of activists and journalists. Often, such footage is the only piece of evidence for an investigation or story. Yet deciding how to share the footage publicly is rarely a simple process. To discover how to film videos from protests or conflicts, we've partnered with Witness to create compelling courses on shooting footage and sharing video evidence. You'll also learn useful tips on how to improve your video production skills and help make a real impact. Discover how to protect the identity of your sources in an eyewitness video. Store and share video evidence safely. Learn the technical skills to frame, film, and share your video evidence. Human rights abuses are undoubtedly critical to advocacy today, and video evidence has never been more important. Find out more today by heading over to Advocacy Assembly. Let's get started.